Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to use the date function on your BA2 Plus calculator. So this is really similar to a lot of the other modes that we've used on the calculator, and the input is going to be very similar. It's just a case of knowing what the different variables stand for in this mode. So to get here, you're going to go second function and then the number 1 to get the date function. And so what we have here is date 1, date 2, DBD, which stands for days between dates, and then this setting, which is, you're going to leave this alone. ACT stands for something like actual calendar time, and essentially it takes into account leap years. So we want to leave that alone. So the ones that we're going to change are our dates and or days between dates. And so what I want to really stress here is that the way that you input your date is really important for making this function work. So right now this is just the standard date. If you ever want to clear out all your values, it's the same as other modes. Second function, clear, and that will wipe out all previous values. So here it looks like we have a date of December 31st, 1990. And instead, I want to put in an invoice date. I want to put in April 19th of 2017. So I'm going to put in 2 digits for month. Actually, I guess I don't even need to put the 0, but you're going to put in your month. Then you're going to hit the decimal. And then you're going to put in 2 digits for day, so 19. And then you're going to put in the last 2 digits of the year, so 17, and hit enter. And it's going to convert it to a date. I want to know, for my example, what is 45 days from this invoice date of April 19th. So I want days between dates set at 45. Make sure you hit enter to lock it in. Notice the equal sign, just like other functions that we've used. I'm going to scroll back up to my date 2. So when you have date 1 and date 2, date 1 is always the earlier date. Date 2 is the later date. And I'm going to hit CPT or compute. And that's going to tell me that Saturday, June the 3rd, 2017 is 45 days away from April 19th. So you can use this in order to calculate a variety of discount periods or credit periods with regard to invoicing. You can also set 2 dates. So making sure that you have the input correct. So let's just say that I change this to June 27th, 2017. And I want to know how many days were between those 2 dates. There's 69 days between April 19th and June 27th. So you can use this function to calculate either a specific day with a number of days between dates, or you can use 2 dates and calculate the number of days between.